Once more, good morning, folks. This is Mansa, and welcome back again. This is video number 3, 2nd of April 2025. I'm just out of my positions close to 30 minutes ago. So we are doing a review of the trades I've already executed on DAX. And again, just a bit of some recap. I use pre-market opening range breakout. So the pre-market opening range breakout seeks to capitalize on the price action that has happened the first 3 trading hours of the session. And as you can see, will be very direct and very precise. So the session, the pre-market opening range began at 7, which is midnight of New York, and extends all the way to the last 10-minute candle before the market begins to opens like London session. Okay, so we have the 10 a.m. candle there using 5 time, but that would be something like 8 a.m. London time or 3 a.m. time. So we go to the last 10-minute candle, and that is the one. So with that, now we have a full area. We have a high range. We have it there. It's at let's set price. The high of the range is at 259. Okay, so give it the 25, and the low of the range is at 42. That is a range close to 20. And now all I'm anticipating for is market to break its direction. So market managed to do a first breakout fast of close to, let's see how many points, close to 6 points. Okay, it gave a first breakout close to 6 points. I didn't have my position in because, you know, as I say, my first position is triggered at the first 10 points or 15 points. Then the market made it back to the point of the range, had nothing to do with that. And then it proceeds to break out of the range again. So as soon as I manage to break outside of the range, I have my first sell position. And then let me zoom this one in. Hey, having some issues here. Okay, good. Okay, so I have my first position on board, and then I move on to add a second position, and the second position has a heavy load. Okay, so what happened with that? I made a mistake here. I put a really heavy load, and so I was resting in that trade alone close to 1%, and I wasn't comfortable with that. And so it is the reason I ended up closing that position close to break even. Okay, and then I have that position on board with a fair lot size. So both the first and the second one, I'm risking 0.5% each. So cumulatively just 1%. No, cumulatively I have a risk of 0.43%, and the other one is 0.3%. So cumulatively I have a risk of 0.6, 0.7 there. And the level I was aiming for is the high of yesterday's pre-market opening range. Okay, the high yesterday's pre-market opening range. Okay, so this is it. The horizontal line. So that price is at 22,320. Okay, and the level I was aiming for that, it's because that level was a key level of interest, because price gravitated towards the buy side number of times from there. Okay, we have the first upward thrust here done yesterday, and the second upward thrust. Okay, so let me use this one. So we have the first upward thrust using that red line, and then we have the second upward thrust coming from that level. Okay, and then we also have the third upward thrust. Okay, so that tells you that this level that have a lot of hiccups moving away from there, or maybe from there, and I don't know when it's going to break out from there. I continue down, or maybe sit on there and begin getting rejected from that level. I do not know. So what I only want is I want to analyze it at that particular price. So fast forward, as soon as I got there, okay, I had my exits, my TP were in place. I had my exits, the 2 position, first one, the second position was close at break even, and as soon as we closed that first those positions, went there instantly. We had some sort of rejection in the 5-minute candle, and then we managed to break it, and now we see pushing down. Okay, now we have already pushed down close to 100 points. So from the low of the range, let's see how many points those are. So the low of the range is at 400. Okay, and that high of yesterday's market opening range is at 320. So that gives you a movement of 120 points. So that is fair enough. Fair enough. So that is a 2-hour trade. Putting into consideration that the midpoint of the range was 50 points. Okay, so that's a very fair one. And I had my exit there, and I ran for 30. So other days I would be here trying to get down, trying to get reversals, scaling in with no plan. But one of the objectives I do want to achieve by the end of this month to have minimal positions, as minimal positions executed in a month as much as possible. Okay, so I'm for executing 20 positions in a day, 15 positions in a day, to somewhat like 5, maximum 6, the worst case scenario 10 positions in a day, and I do not want to get there. Okay, so